How is a customer going to trust you? Don't try to gain their trust. I want you to try to gain something different. Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Today I want to talk to you about a myth that we have been told for decades in the auto industry. And that is you've got to get the customer to trust you. Well, I'm here to tell you, it's never going to happen. It's never, ever, ever going to happen. Let's face facts. We are car salespeople. We have a totally different agenda than the customer that walks onto our lot. Our goal is to sell a car today. And for how much gross? As much as humanly possible. Their goal is different. Their goal is to buy a car on their time frame and pay as little as possible. How is a customer going to trust you? I wouldn't trust you. You would not trust me in the sales process. So let me share with you something different to focus on. Don't try to gain their trust. I want you to try to gain something different. Likability. I want you to get the customer to like you. Be kind, be courteous. Don't pressure them. Don't use innuendos. Get rid of those darn trial closes that just make people more defensive and it moves you no further along in the sales process. Because if a customer says yes to your trial close, they'd say yes when you ask them to buy the car. But when they say no to the trial close, well, guess what? Now you're losing trust. They're not going to trust you. Again, I'm not going to trust you, and you're not going to trust me. So get that myth out of your head. Likability. Get them to like you, and you're going to sell more cars and make more gross. Good luck, everyone.